हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बिफोर एग्जाम। आज आम डिस्कसन करवा कंप्लीट टीसीएस जीके पार्ट 3। पार्ट 3 अच्छी 300 प्लस इंडियन पॉलिटी क्वेश्चन जोटा कि एग्जाम रे तार वेटेज अच्छी केते 4 रु 6 मार्क 100% क्वेश्चन पचारिबो एई स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन ही आसीबो। तो जो माने पार्ट 1 कंप्लीट 300 प्लस हिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन आ पार्ट 2 रे अच्छी कंप्लीट 300 प्लस ज्योग्राफी क्वेश्चन देखिनो जाईकी देखि दियो आ एग्जाम रे ए भलिया क्वेश्चन ही पड़िबो। तो ई सीरीज टी हम कंप्लीट करबा। या पर नेक्स्ट इकोनॉमिक्स साइंस आउ किछि ओडिसा जीके किछि करंट अफेयर्स आ मिसलेनियस रे भी किछि क्वेश्चन करदेले हमर जीके पार्टा पूरा कंप्लीट हो जिवो। आ चैनल रे कंप्यूटर रो भी 500 प्लस क्वेश्चन अछि टीसीएस रो, ताकू भी जो मन देखि ना जाईकी देखि दियंतु। ठीक अछि। आ जो माने चैनल नुआ छ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो आ देरी करबानी आज रो सेशन स्टार्ट करबा। Under which schedule of Constitution of India is a list of official language found? 8th schedule. Which article of Constitution of India empower a state government to promulgate an ordinance? Article 213. 213. Which of following is not included in the directive principle of state policy of Constitution of India? Not include right to information. तो एगुड़ा सब इनक्लूड अच्छी इक्वल पे फॉर इक्वल वर्क, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ विलेज पंचायत, इक्वल जस्टिस एंड फ्री लीगल एड। As per the Constitution of India, the term of member of Council of State is for केते वर्ष 6 years. Kansiram was the founder of Dash political party, बहुजन समाज पार्टी। Which of following is not listed as fundamental duty in Constitution of India? Not listed. To obey traffic rule, to protect and improve the natural environment ये listed अच्छी, to safeguard public property ये भी list अच्छी, to develop scientific temper। so गुड़ा को मन रखी था। Who of the following had the shortest tenure as the president of India? Dr. Zakir Hussain। The salary emoluments of which of following official mentioned in Part E of the second schedule of the Constitution of India? The Comptroller and Auditor General। The feature of parliamentary privilege of Indian Constitution was borrowed from Britain. Which of following article of the Constitution of India lay down the procedure for the removal of a judge of the Supreme Court? Article 124. The President rule is mentioned in Article Keter President rule 356. The first ever motion to remove a Chief Justice of High Court of India was initiated in year 1991. Which of following state has a bicameral legislature? याको भितर किए बिहार। तो बाइकैमरल लेजिस्लेचर जति जाओ स्टेट अच्छी ताको भी मन रखि थाओ। On 9th December 1946, who chaired the first session of Constituent Assembly? Sachidananda Sinha। The President of India has the power to pardon under which article of the Constitution of India? Article 72. The appointment of district judge in the state of India is done in constitution with the High Court by governor. In which year was the first ever motion to remove a Supreme Court justice signed by 108 member of the parliament? केबे हेतिला 1991. Which article of the Constitution of India state that all authorities, civil and judicial, in the territory of India shall act in aid of Supreme Court? Article 144. How many tiers are there in Panchayat Raj structure? 3. What is the maximum number of starred question for oral answer admitted for discussion on a particular day in Lok Sabha? केतेटा maximum question? 20टा. As per the Constitution of India, Panchayat at the intermediate level may not be constituted in a state having a population not exceeding 20 lakhs. Every panchayat, unless sooner dissolved under any law for the time being in force, shall continue for dash years for the date of appointment for its first meeting and no longer 5 years. The president may resign from his office by writing under his hand address to the vice president. Which of following not a fundamental right of Indian citizen? Right to property. As per the interpretation by Supreme Court of India, tapping of phone call infract the fundamental right provided in Article dash of the Constitution. Article केते अछि 21. Jagannath Mishra was the 3-time Chief Minister of the state of Bihar. With reference to High Court and their seats, which of the following pair is correctly matched? यांक भितर correctly कोड अछि उत्तराखंड नैनीताल. तो ओडिसा रा कोड अछि कटक, गुजरात, अहमदाबाद, मध्य प्रदेश रा कोड अछि जबलपुर. According to Article 361 of Constitution of India, a criminal proceeding cannot be instituted in a court against dash during the term of office. का against रे criminal case ही परिबनी governor. Article 361 एटा मन रखि था वाला during his term of office. Which of following statement is correct? The first Lok Sabha was constituted in 1952. The Indian Administrative Service and Indian Police Service are deemed to be service created by Parliament under केते नंबर आर्टिकल? आर्टिकल 312. The President may issue a proclamation of emergency under Article 356 on receipt of a report from the dash of a state, governor of a state. The Prime Minister and other Minister of Indian Union are appointed by the President under dash of the Constitution of India. The Prime Minister and other Minister appointed केते नंबर आर्टिकल? आर्टिकल 75. The power to summon each House of Parliament is vested with the President. The procedure for impeachment of the President of India is mentioned in Article. President impeachment केते नंबर आर्टिकल? 61. The Atkinson Commission 1886 was appointed to make a recommendation for the reform in Indian civil service. Which of following schedule was added to the Constitution by the Constitution? First Amendment Act 1951. First Amendment 1951 को शेड्यूल हेतला 9th शेड्यूल. एटा भी मन रखो, फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन केबे अमेंडेड हेतला 1951. Which of following article of Constitution of India provide for a independent office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Article 148. Under the provision of which article of Constitution of India can the Bharat Ratna award not be used as a prefix or suffix to the recipient's name? Article 18(1). Which article of Indian Constitution give right to minority to establish and administrator educational institution? Article 30. A child below the age of dash year cannot be employed to work in any factory under Article 24 of the Constitution of India. केते वर्ष 14 वर्ष। Which writ is issued when the court find that a person is holding office but is not entitled to hold that office? Q. Warranto. In which schedule of Constitution of India are states and its territories specified? First schedule. When were first general election held in India? 1951 to 52. In which article of Indian Constitution are the fundamental right described? 1235 fundamental right. The original Indian Constitution had dash part and 395 article. 22टा पार्ट 395 आर्टिकल. In which of following state does the panchayat system exist? Arunachal Pradesh. Article dash of Constitution of India states that the judge of High Court shall be appointed. Judge of High Court shall be appointed by the President with the consultation of Chief Justice of India and Governor of the state. Chief Justice of High Court appointed केते नंबर आर्टिकल 217 एग्जाम रे बारंबार क्वेश्चन पचारुची एटा. The judge of Supreme Court are appointed by the President under article of dash of the Constitution of India. Judge of Supreme Court केते नंबर आर्टिकल अपॉइंट होचंती 124(2). The collegium for appointment of judge of Supreme Court is headed by dash of India, Chief Justice. According to new travel norms set by Union Minister of Union Home Ministry, Indian age dash can travel to Nepal and Bhutan by producing Aadhaar as identity proof. Under 15 and over 65 years age. Who was appointed as the first Chief Justice of Independent India? First Chief Justice of Independent India. Harilal Kanya. Nagaland became a part of Union of India in the year 1963 by the dash amendment of the to the Constitution of India. केते नंबर अमेंडमेंट 13th केबे हेतला 1963 ये नागालैंड. Which schedule of Indian Constitution deal with the disqualification of elected member on the ground of a defection? 10th schedule. Which of following article of the Indian Constitution deal with uniform civil code? Article 44. Article 35A was incorporated into the Indian Constitution based on the dash Delhi Agreement. केबे हितला दिल्ली एग्रीमेंट entered between the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and the Prime Minister of Jammu and Kashmir Sheikh Abdullah 1952. Article dash of the Constitution of India provides special right and privilege to permanent resident of Jammu and Kashmir. Article 35A. A petition has been filed by NGO dash challenging the constitutional validity of both Article 35A and Article 370. We the citizen. The first woman Chief Justice of High Court in India. First woman Chief Justice Leela Seth. The state of Jharkhand was formed by division of Bihar in the year. Jharkhand के formation होइतला 2000. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy served as dash from 1956 to 1959. से कौन थिले चीफ मिनिस्टर कारण ना आंध्र प्रदेश रो चीफ मिनिस्टर थिले नीलम संजीव रेड्डी. से प्रेसिडेंट हेले केबे 1977 रु 82 प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया हेले नीलम संजीव रेड्डी. The governor of an Indian state generally hold office for a period of 5 years. The National Food Security Act was passed in the year 2013. As per the Constitution of India, Supreme Court judge in India retire at the age of 65. Which ex Prime Minister of India is known as Chanakya of modern India? P.V. Narasimha Rao. The inaugural session of Supreme Court of India took place on 28 January 1950. Inaugural session. The minimum age criteria for appointment as Vice President of India, 35 years. After 1994, how many sessions of Rajya Sabha are usually held in a year? 3. तो before 1994 केतरा सेशन होतला? 4टा सेशन. Under Article Dash of the Constitution of India, the quorum to constitute a sitting of the House in 1/10 of the total number of member of House. Under Article 100. Which of following is not a national political party? United Democratic Party, नेशनलिस्ट कांग्रेस नेशनल पार्टी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस ये भी नेशनल पार्टी. हु इज द सेकंड वुमेन स्पीकर ऑफ द लोकसभा? सेकंड के सुमित्रा महाजन. फर्स्ट है मीरा कुमारी. डैश वाज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द भारतीय जनता पार्टी? अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी. The Bahujan Samaj Party was formed, BSP. केबे फॉर्म होइतल? 1984. The 11th president of India Dash was also known as Missile Man, APJ Abdul Kalam. The Panchayat Raj system was first adopted by the state of Rajasthan. India was divided into India and Pakistan by the Dash Act, India Independence Act. Who was the president of India during 1977 to 82? किए थे नीलम संजीव रेड्डी. The Indian Constitution states that the total number of ministers, including the Prime Minister, in the Council of Ministers shall not be exceeded dash percentage of dash percent of the total number of member of the House of People, 15%. एटा पचारुछि केते नंबर अमेंडमेंट रहितला? 91st अमेंडमेंट 2003. The idea of concurrent list in Indian Constitution is adopted from which constitution? Australian Constitution. Who was the president of India during 25th July 1982 to 25th July 1987? Gyani Jail Singh. Name the first ever judge of Supreme Court against whom the motion of impeachment was introduced into Parliament in independent India. जस्टिस को ना कौन? जज को ना कौन? जस्टिस रामास्वामी. The idea of residual power in Indian Constitution has been taken from the Constitution of Canada. Which panel set up by the government of India suggested total decontrol of sugar industry? Rangarajan panel. In the year 1978, the Dash Amendment eliminated the right to acquire, hold and dispose of property as fundamental right. Article Amendment 44. 44th amendment 1978 eliminate ହେଇଥିଲେ କଣ fundamental right जोड़ा right to property. In which part of Indian constitution are center state relationship mentioned? Center state relationship mentioned. Part 11 article 245 to 55. Part 11. Name the first ever judge of Supreme Court against whom the motion of impeachment was introduced into Parliament in independent India. Justice Ramaswamy. The idea of residual power in Indian Constitution has been taken from the Constitution of Canada. Which panel set up by the Government of India suggested a total decontrol of sugar industry? Rangarajan panel. Which of following article of Constitution of India deals with Uniform Civil Code? Article 44. In the year 1978, the Dash Amendment eliminated the right to acquire, hold, and disposal of property as a fundamental right. 44th Amendment. In which part of the Indian Constitution are center-state relationship mentioned? Part 11, Article 245 to 255. Lok Adalat have been created under Legal Service Authority Act. Lok Adalat. Right to move freely throughout the territory of India is a fundamental right under dash article of the Constitution of India. Your answer of Article 19. Which of the following article promotes equal justice and free legal aid for all the citizens? Article 39A. Article dash of the Constitution of India give the Election Commissioner the power to supervise election to the Parliament and state legislature. Article 324. Who was the Prime Minister of India during the emergency between 1975 to 77? Indira Gandhi. PM किए थे Indira Gandhi. Dash Constitution Amendment Act 2002 provided for free and compulsory elementary education to all children. 86th Amendment. The maximum number of nominated member to the to Lok Sabha is 2 jana. Who decided on the issue related to disqualification of a member of Lok Sabha under 10th schedule? Speaker. The power to summon the House of Parliament is vested with the President. The maximum strength of Bangladeshi Parliament is 350. What is the term of elected representative of a Gram Panchayat? Kete barsho? 5 barsho. Which article of the Constitution of India talk about the provision for impeachment of the President of India? Kete number article? Article 61. The Constitution of India was amended for the first time in which year? 1951. Which of the following is called the popular chamber? Lok Sabha. Which article of the Constitution of India provides that each Indian state will have a governor? Article 153. Who preside over the joint sitting of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha? Speaker of Lok Sabha. Under which article of the Constitution of India can member of Anglo-Indian community be nominated to the Lok Sabha by the President? Article 331. In India, which of following article of Constitution of India provides for the formation of a new state? Article 3. In Parliament, who take the final decision on whether a bill is a money bill or not? Speaker. In the context of Indian Parliament, what is 0 hour? Time immediately after question hour hela 0 hour. How many sessions of the Lok Sabha are normally held in a year? Ketra session? 3টা. The Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Act was passed in the year 2006. Which article of the Constitution of India mentions that Lok Sabha must have a speaker and deputy speaker? Article 93. On which day is Constitution Day celebrated every year in India? 26 November. When did Sarkaria Commission submit its report? 1988. Which of the following article of the Constitution of India has a provision for the constitution of legislature in state? Article 168. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? President of India. Who was the chairman of drafting committee of the Constitution of India? Drafting committee chairman B.R. Ambedkar. Who described the preamble of Indian Constitution as the political horoscope of the Indian Constitution? Political horoscope of the Indian Constitution किए कही कन्हैयालाल मणिकलाल मुंशी K.M. मुंशी. When was the Backward and Minority Community Employee Federation established in India? Backward and Minority Community Employee Federation केबे हेतिला 1978. When was the first Constituent Assembly election held in India? 1946. What is the provision of Article 49 of the Constitution of India? Article 49. Protection of monument and place and object of natural importance. Who among the following can be removed by the process of impeachment? The President of India. How many members of Rajya Sabha can be nominated by the President of India? 12 members. Which of the following word was inserted in the preamble by the Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1976? को वाटा insert ହେଇଥିଲା? Socialist. Which of the following article of the Constitution of India provides constitutional remedies for the enforcement of fundamental right? Constitutional remedies, Article 32. The election to constitute a panchayat should be completed before the expiration period of dash from the date of its dissolution. 6 months. Which of the following statement is correct? The President submit his resignation to the Vice President. Goods and Service Tax (GST) was enacted by Parliament via dash Constitutional Amendment Act 2016. 101st. Which of the following statement is correct? The governor can dissolve the legislative assembly of a state. Who among the following headed the 9 judges of constitutional bench that declare the right to privacy as a fundamental right? J.S. Kher. As per Article 80 of the Constitution of India, what can be the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha 250. Which article of the Constitution of India provides that there shall be a council of ministers with the Prime Minister as its head? Article 74(1). The Constitution under Article dash mandates the Election Commission to conduct election to the Parliament and the State Legislature. Article 324. How many fundamental duties are set out in Part 4A, Article 51A of the Constitution of India? 11. As per the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, how many languages are referred to as scheduled language? 22. Which of the following statement is not correct about Rajya Sabha? It can amend a money bill. Which of the following state is included in the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India? Mizoram. When was the right to property removed from the list of fundamental rights? 1978. 44 Constitutional Amendment Act. The concept of fundamental duties in the Constitution of India was taken from USSR. What is the tenure of Chief Election Commissioner of India? 6 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly of India? Chairman of drafting committee के B.R. Ambedkar. In which of the following years did India come under the direct rule of the British Crown? 1858. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain, UK, when British Parliament passed an independence bill for India July 1947? ସେତେବେଳକୁ PM କିଏ ଥିଲେ? କ୍ଲିମେଟ୍ ଅଟଲି. The first education minister of independent India was Abul Kalam Azad. Who is the head of the government of state in India? Governor. Who was the first chief election commissioner of India? Sukumar Sen. Who was the first Indian to join the Viceroy Executive Council? Satyendra Prasad Sinha. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in Rajasthan? 25. GST was introduced by which amendment act of the Constitution? 101st. Who was the 13th President of India? Pranab Mukherjee. The Raleigh Commission 1902 was appointed to recommend reforms in the education system. Who was the President of India during the emergency of 1975 to 77? PM ଥିଲେ କିଏ? इंदिरा गांधी. प्रेसिडेंट किए? फकीरुद्दीन अली अहमद. When was the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act enacted? 1978. The President of India can hold office for a term of dash years? 5 years. India is called a secular country because citizens have the fundamental right to freedom to profess religion of one's choice. Who was the first president of independent India? Rajendra Prasad. Which article of the Constitution of India states the directive principle of state policy on promotion of international peace and security? Article 51. Which article of the Constitution deals with formation of new states? Article 3. Who among the following drafted Article 370 of the Constitution of India? Gopalswamy Ayanagar. The definition of money bill is given in which article of the Constitution of India? केते नंबर आर्टिकल 110. First backward class commission of India was headed by Kaka Kalkar. In which year did Niti Aayog come into existence? 2015. In which year did the first elected parliament with two house come into being in India? केबे आस्थिले 1952. Which article of the Constitution of India states that no citizen can be discriminated against on the basis of his or her religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth? Article 15. On whose birth anniversary did Kansiram found the Bahujan Samaj Party? B.R. Ambedkar. Which of the following is not a feature of the Indian federal system? Single tier government. Union legislature alone can make law on matter related to railways. Who was the chairman of economic program committee that was formed by All India Congress Committee 1947? तर चेयरमैन किए थे जवाहरलाल नेहरू. In which year was the new Indian rupee symbol officially adopted by the government of India? 2010. The ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity contained in the preamble of the Constitution of India are borrowed from the Constitution of which country? कोड आछि एटा? France. Which article of the Indian Constitution prohibits trafficking in human being and forced labor? Article 23. The National Food Security Act was passed in which of the following year? National Food Security Act केबे पास हेतला? 2013. The Consumer Protection Bill 2018 has replaced the Consumer Protection Act of which of the given year? केबे चेंज हेतला? 1986. Government of India Act 1919 came into effect on 23rd December 1919. This act embodied the reforms recommended in the Dash report. Co-report Montego-Chelmsford report. Which part of the Constitution of India consists of article on election? को पार्ट रे इलेक्शन कमिशन आछंती को पार्ट रे? पार्ट XV 15. Reads and bicameralism in the Indian Constitution are influenced by Constitution of United Kingdom. Parliamentary form of government as laid down in Indian Constitution is influenced by the Constitution of United Kingdom. Which amendment to the Constitution introduced the Goods and Service Tax GST? केबे इंट्रोड्यूस हेतला? 101st Constitutional Amendment Act 2016. The Charter Act 1833 made the Governor General of Dash as the Governor General of India and vested in him all civil and military power. Governor General of Bengal as Governor General of India. The Constitution 86 Amendment Act 2002 instead Article 21A in the Constitution of India. कौन 86 Constitutional Amendment कौन? To provide free and compulsory education to children between 6 and 14. एटा भी एग्जाम आछि केते रु केते वर्ष भितरी 6 and 14. The dash introduce for the first time Indian representation in the institution like Viceroy, Executive and Legislative Council. Indian Council Act 1861. The emergency provision under Article 356 of Indian Constitution is influenced by Weimar Constitution of Germany. Emergency provision under Article 356, in which amendment of Constitution were Bodo, Dogri, Santhali, Maithili added to list recognized language. को अमेंडमेंट एक्ट रही 92nd लैंग्वेज उपर आउ गोटे अच्छी 21st अमेंडमेंट क्वेश्चन पचार जोटा कि सिंध होता 71st होता कौन ना नेपाली मणिपुरी कोंकणी तीनटा लैंग्वेज 92nd रही कौन बोडो डोगरी सांथाली मैथिली तीनटा को अमेंडमेंट मन रखो एग्जाम रे पचार The concept of the freedom of trade in India's constitution is adopted from the constitution of which country? Concept of freedom of trade कोड आसी ऑस्ट्रेलिया. Any section of citizen with a distinct language or culture have a right to dash conserve it. A dash is a formal document containing an order of the court to the government issue only by High Court or the Supreme Court of India. Answer कौन होबो writ. Who is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Rajya Sabha रो chairman किए Vice President. The Constitution of India contain how many article at the time of commencement? First time केते थिला article 395 एबे अछि 448. Article 21A deals with right to free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years. The three-tier system of local government does not include the village committee. Three-tier system रे कि आछि पंचायत समिति, ग्राम पंचायत, जिला परिषद. The United States of America adopted a democratic constitution in 1787. After independence, Dash became India's first deputy prime minister. First deputy prime minister किए थिले सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल. Dash is the largest democracy in the world. किए इंडिया. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP origin lie in the Bharatiya Janasangh founded by Syama Prasad Mukherjee. In India, states with dash of population get more representative, larger size. The Indian Constitution declare India as a union of states. Which of following option is also termed as third tier of democracy in India? Local self-government. Which of following constitutional amendment provided for the right to education? 86th Amendment. The dispute between two states can be resolved by the Supreme Court of India under its original jurisdiction. केते नंबर आर्टिकल 131. ओरिजिनल जुरिडिक्शन केते 131 आर्टिकल दीटा को मन रखो. द बीपी मेंडल कमीशन जोटा कि मेंडल कमीशन वाज सेट अप टू स्टडी द रीजन ऑफ बैकवर्डनेस ऑफ द सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिकली बैकवर्ड क्लास. अंडर व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्ट ऑफ द सिस्टम ऑफ डायरकी वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड केबे इंट्रोड्यूस होइतिला गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1919 को अबोलिश केबे होइतिला 1935 Which article of Indian Constitution deals with discrimination against any Indian citizen on various grounds? Article 15. Which party government announced the formation of a second backward class commission 1978? Which party government announced? किए announce करथिला जनता पार्टी. Which of the following committee recommended inclusion of fundamental duties? को committee recommend करथिले? स्वर्ण सिंह committee. Fundamental duties. Which of the following writs provide a remedy for a person who has been unlawful held in prison? Habeas corpus. Who among the following become the country's vice president twice? Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Which of the following is not related to fundamental right? Right to property. How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? केतरा अछि 12टा. Under which article of Indian Constitution Hindi is declared as the official language? Article 343. Who among the following presented the Union Budget of India for maximum time? Moraz Desai. आ गोटे क्वेश्चन पचारुछि फर्स्ट फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया सामुखम चेत्ती दुईटा को मन रखिथा ये मैक्सिमम टाइम बजेट पेश करछन्ते आ फर्स्ट फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ले सामुखम चेत्ती. Which of the following article is related to Jammu and Kashmir state of India? Article 370. When was the first amendment made to the Indian Constitution? केबे हितिला 1951. Who among the following has the power to promulgate ordinance? Answer अब president. केते नंबर आर्टिकल 1 2 3 मन रखि था एडा हला प्रेसिडेंट ऑर्डिनेंस 123 नंबर आर्टिकल. In which year the National Food Security Act was passed in India? 2013. Who was appointed as Assembly Constitutional Advisor in 1946 during the framing of Indian Constitution? किए B.N. Rao. Which article Indian Constitution state about fundamental duties? केते नंबर आर्टिकल? आर्टिकल 51A. When was the national anthem adopted in its Hindi version? 24 January 1950. Which of the following is not a constitutional body? किए यांक भितर कन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी गुड़ा को मन रखि था फाइनेंस कमिशन, नेशनल कमिशन फॉर शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब, इलेक्शन कमिशन एगुड़ा सब कन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी. कन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी किए नुह? नीति आयोग. The High Court of Kerala and Lakshadweep is situated at Ernakulam. केरला और लक्षद्वीप रो गोटे हाईकोर्ट है एर्नाकुलम रे सिचुएटेड. अंडमान एंड निकोबर जुरिडिक्शन कम्स अंडर व्हिच हाईकोर्ट? कलकत्ता. Which of the following adjective is not a part of the preamble? Tolerant. As per Article 274 of Constitution, whose prior recommendation is required to the bill affecting taxation? Article 274 मन रखि था एटा हला प्रेसिडेंट. Which schedule of Indian Constitution contain the provision on Panchayat Raj institution? केते नंबर 11th schedule. In the Indian Constitution, the principle of liberty is borrowed from which of the following countries? France. Interstate Council was set up by the recommendation of which committee? Interstate Council, Sarkaria Committee. Who among the following take part in election of the President of India? किए पार्ट अच्छी इलेक्शन प्रेसिडेंट रो? Elected member of both House of Parliament and Legislative Assembly of the state. Which part of the Indian Constitution contain the provision on the Union Territories? Part 8. Which of the article of Indian Constitution tells about the election of president? Article 54. Who was the President of India during the state of emergency 1975-77? प्रेसिडेंट किए थे से टाइम रे डॉक्टर फखरुद्दीन अली अहमद. Who was the first Chief Justice of Independent India? Hiralal J. Kania. Who headed Provincial Committee, Constitution Committee? प्रोविंशियल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कमिटी तार हेड किए थे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल. Which of the following Prime Minister has served a term of 13 days? Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Who appoints Governor of the state in India? President. Article 21A was introduced by which Constitutional Amendment Act? 86. Who conducts the election of Lok Sabha in India? Election Commission. Which act of British Parliament transferred the power of East India Company to British Crown? Government of India Act 1858. Forming of association in India is fundamental right. Which Constitutional Amendment Act introduced anti-defection provision in the Constitution? Anti-defection provision. 52 Constitutional Amendment Act. Financial emergency provision of India. Indian Constitution have been borrowed from financial emergency कोड आछि Germany Constitution. Which part of the Indian Constitution enlists the fundamental right? Part 3. Which type of citizenship is provided by the Constitution of India? Single citizenship. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of uniform civil code in India? Article 44. Upper house of the Indian Parliament is also known as Rajya Sabha. Who was the first National Security Advisor of India? Brajesh Mishra. Election to Panchayat in the state are conducted by State Election Commission. Which amendment of the Constitution is called as Mini Constitution of India and was brought in during national emergency in year 1976? 42 Constitutional Amendment Act. When did the Constituent Assembly adopt the Constitution of India? 26 November 1949. The Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act, which gives every child aged 6 to 14 the fundamental right for education, was assented to in which year? 2009. Who is the head of the state and is the highest formal authority in India? President. Second Backward Class Commission is also known as Mandel Commission. On which date did Niti Aayog replace the Planning Commission? 1st January 2015. Which amendment made it mandatory for President to give his assent to the Constitutional Amendment Bill? 24th Amendment. Which article of the Indian Constitution state that the law declared by Supreme Court is to binding all courts within the territory of India? Kete number article? Article 141. In which form of government rulers are directly elected by the people of the country? Democracy. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Defence Force of India? President. National emblem of India is taken from Mauryan pillar is located at Saranath. In which of following country presidential system of government does not exist? India. Who appoints judge of Supreme Court and High Court in India? President. The President of India has same power and function as Queen of Britain. Who among the following does not take part in the election of President of India? Nominated member of Parliament. So participate किए करते इलेक्टेड मेंबर ऑफ लोकसभा, इलेक्टेड मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा, इलेक्टेड मेंबर ऑफ स्टेट असेंबली, ये तीन जन पार्टिसिपेट करती।